Welcome back to Beautyistic, your go-to channel for all things beauty and beyond. Today, we're diving into the Niré Beauty 15-piece professional makeup brush set, a kit that claims to offer everything you need for a flawless makeup application. If you're a makeup enthusiast or a pro, you'll want to stick around to see if this set truly lives up to its claims. Let's take a closer look. This 15-piece set comes from Niré Beauty, an award-winning British brand known for its quality craftsmanship in the beauty industry. It features a range of vegan brushes, a makeup sponge, a brush cleaner, a guide, and even a stylish case. The brushes are made with super soft bristles, designed to ensure smooth, even application. This set promises to provide all the essential tools you need, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned makeup artist. It also comes packaged in a gift box, which makes it an ideal present for anyone who loves makeup. When I first unboxed the Niré Beauty set, the quality of the brushes immediately stood out. They're incredibly soft, which is a big plus for me since nobody wants to deal with scratchy bristles. The set includes brushes for eyes, face, and even contouring, offering a versatile selection for different makeup techniques. The makeup sponge feels dense and plush, giving a nice, even finish when used with foundation or concealer. The brush cleaner is a thoughtful addition, especially for those who want to keep their tools in top shape without the hassle of looking for a separate solution. Now, when it comes to real-world testing, I had the chance to try out these brushes over several makeup sessions. Setting up was a breeze, thanks to the neat organization in the included case, which kept everything within arm's reach. The brushes performed well, blending foundation, powder, and eye makeup seamlessly. The eyeshadow brushes, in particular, picked up pigment beautifully and blended it out smoothly. However, I did notice that the larger face brushes could use a bit more density for things like bronzer or blush. Though they still performed decently, it felt like a little more weight would have been ideal. As for the cons, while the brushes are soft, the handle of a few of them felt a bit light and flimsy. It didn't affect performance, but it might not have the sturdy feel some might expect from professional-grade tools. Another small downside is that the brush cleaner is convenient, but doesn't seem to clean as deeply as some other dedicated cleaners I've used, though it gets the job done for regular maintenance. When we talk about value for money, this set is priced at a premium, which you can expect from a luxury brush set. However, considering the high quality, vegan materials, and the fact that it's a complete set with a storage case, the price feels justified, especially if you're just starting to build a professional-level brush collection. In comparison to other high-end makeup brush sets, the Niré Beauty set stands out with its inclusion of a brush cleaner and guide, making it more beginner-friendly. While some high-end brushes might offer a bit more density or sturdiness in their handles, this set holds its own in terms of functionality and convenience. The vegan aspect is another win, particularly for those who prioritize cruelty-free beauty products. Build quality-wise, the brushes feel solid, with soft bristles that don't shed easily. The handles, though not as heavy as some high-end brands, still seem durable enough for regular use. It's clear that the set is built with attention to detail, but the longevity will really depend on how gently they're handled and how frequently they're cleaned. In terms of customer service, Niré Beauty is known for its great support. They even offer a satisfaction guarantee, so if you're not happy with the set, you can get your money back. An excellent policy for those who might be on the fence. That kind of reassurance is always a bonus, especially with premium-priced products. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are other vegan makeup brush sets on the market, but they may not include the extra features like the brush cleaner and the guide. However, if you're willing to spend a bit more, the Niré Beauty set certainly provides a luxurious, all-in-one experience. To sum it up, the Niré Beauty 15-piece makeup brush set is a solid option for those looking to invest in a high-quality, vegan set of tools that can be used by both beginners and professionals. While there are a few minor areas for improvement, like the handle weight and the depth of the brush cleaner's cleaning power, the set offers great overall value, especially considering its premium features and thoughtful packaging. Before I wrap up, if you're enjoying this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, And click the bell icon for more honest reviews and beauty tips right here on Beautyistic. Thank you for tuning in, and if you have any questions or thoughts about the Niré Beauty brush set, drop them in the comments below. You can also find the link to grab your own in the comments box. Goodbye till next time, and remember, beauty's in the details, and Beautyistic's got you covered.